Is Bitcoin getting ready to go towards 24,000 and even potentially 25,000? Are we going to see this move during the weekend, the upcoming weekend? Guys, we have a lot of stuff to talk about in this video, so make sure to take a seat and watch the video until the very end. This is a very important episode as we are seeing insane price action in traditional markets. We are seeing insane price action in the Bitcoin's charts. So I want to talk about that in this video. If this is your first time watching, welcome. My name is CryptoGhost and you are watching the official CryptoGhost channel. Be sure to be subscribed. Turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. As you can see, I've entered into another trade, another long position. So I will be also talking about that in today's video. And with that being said, let's get started. So as you can see, I've entered into a new long position today. I got filled at 22,951. I was actually laddering some more orders around 22,800 when we saw this pullback right here. And I'm going to be showing to you the signals I saw on the indicator that led me through this trade. So remember, we already closed $737 in profits on this small little account that I'm playing with, just to show you guys how you can take a small account and grow it. Let's start on the weekly time frame. Looking at the higher time frames. Also, always very important, guys, we are still green on the weekly candle right here. Remember, we will be talking about this weekly candle that went above the middle trend line right here that started this whole parabola into the upside. I'm not seeing any bearish signals on the weekly time frame, only bullish ones. Going into the daily time frame, we are still trading outside the last layer of the bullish channels. Now at some point, guys, we are going to see this sharp pullback. As always, in those start of insane moves to the upside, there always comes an unexpected pullback and liquidates everyone and hurts everyone who is not prepared. So guys, on the daily time frame, everything looks still very good for my side. I'm not seeing any bearish signs. I will tell you that we are trading higher, a lot higher above the middle trend line right here. And at some point we're going to see this sharp decline into the downside. And those who are not prepared and are not using any indicators and are not using Ghost Vision indicator might get hurt. So be sure that you are ready for a move that will come into the downside at some point. I'm not sure yet when, but when I will start seeing these indications on the charts that we are super overextended and this is the time that we might see a pullback, I will be warning you guys here on YouTube that I'm taking out some cash from my long positions, from my swing long trades. I will be keeping you guys updated about any important moves that we might see here on the daily time frame. As like I'm saying, guys, this is overextended. We are trading outside the last layer of the bullish channels. I understand that we are having a lot of excitement, but at some point, guys, there will be a sharp decline into the downside. We can keep going higher here, guys. It doesn't mean we have to drop right now towards this middle daily trend line, but I'm telling you that at some point we are going to see those sharp pullbacks. As always with bull markets in crypto, this is what we can expect, guys. So be prepared and get your hands on Ghost Vision so that you don't get caught and you don't fall for this move. We'll be prepared and we'll be watching the charts. And when we see bearish indications on the charts looming here for Bitcoin, we will be prepared. And this is why you are watching CryptoGhost channel, to get the best advice on crypto. The time to be sleeping was right here ever since we made the top. Over 1 year. Guys, we had enough sleep. Come on, wake up, wake up. This is the time to get active. Start trading, start locking in profits. Let's check the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, guys, we are still trading above this middle trend line right here, which is what I want to see when we are starting up a new bull trend. This is exactly the kind of price action I like seeing, and that gets me very bullish on the market right now. So as you can see, the columns on Ghost Vision 2 were already green. We already knew when we should take a long position, when we had a touch point on this trend line, which is exactly what I did. I've listened to the indicator, I didn't have to guess. And guess what, guys? I'm up 500. Easy trade, didn't have to do anything. Waited for the price to come into the trend line right here. I've seen a green column on Ghost Vision 2. Additionally, there is a green dot right here. We also see the strength line on Ghost Vision 3 curving up. So we have a checkpoint right here, a checkpoint right here, a checkpoint right here. And I've entered into this trade. If you see someone using those crazy lines all over their charts, those spider lines everywhere, this is a bunch of bullshit, guys. Trading is simple. Trading doesn't need to be complicated. I'm using the same system for over 5 years and I've never ever used another system because this shit works, guys. It works for markets. It doesn't matter which market. You can trade Forex with it. You can trade whatever you want. Ghost vision is universal. If anyone telling you that they got a special indicator that works only for crypto, blah blah, this is bullshit. A market is a market, guys. There is no such thing as a crypto indicator or a Forex indicator. You can take an indicator and adjust some of its settings to fit more into the volatility of the market, but it doesn't make it crypto specific or Forex specific or any of that nonsense. A trading indicator should be simple. It should be using averages, moving averages, strength line, RSIs. Simple stuff, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. It's not complicated. That's what we want. We want an uptrend or a downtrend and catch the wave. Catch the wave. Look what happens here, guys. Let's zoom in and take a look. Tell me, like, what can you not see? This is simple and easy. It doesn't get more easy than that. We have moved to the upside. We come back to the trend line. We long the trend line. We have moved to the upside. We take profits outside the last layer of the bullish channels. We see another pullback. We take a long here, take profit right here, take a long right here, take profit right here, and repeat until the trend is broken. Trading doesn't need to be complicated. It is you who overcomplicates it. And the mistake that you guys are doing, beginners, what you like to do and what I was doing when I was starting out, is I would see a pump in the market and I would see the price reaching the targets right here, for example, 23,300, and I would say, oh my god, I have to get in. I was getting here on a trade when there is no more fuel to pump the price, and I was then getting crushed. I was entering at the wrong time, doing the wrong things because I didn't have a strategy, I didn't have an indicator, I didn't understand how it needs to be done. And now I'm here to show you, to help you guys not make the same mistakes that I've made, to not repeat all of these mistakes that will cost you a lot of money. I'm here to show you straight how to get into it, how to make it right, and how to keep it simple. You don't need 1,000 lines on your screen to be a profitable trader. So like I was telling you guys in my last video, what did I tell you in my last video? I was telling you guys that I'm expecting another shoot into the upside, another attempt to break towards 24,000. So far we've seen one move right here, and we had enough fuel to go only to 23,500. Now, are we running out of fuel? Let's check the 1 hour. On the 1 hour we had also yesterday this red X that I was talking about. And I told you guys that I'm not very worried about one red X on Ghost Vision 1. And the reason for that is because we can see that we have those pullbacks. And we have a lot of fuel that pumps them back into the upside right here. You should be worried about the red X's when you are in a downtrend or when you see one red X, sideways action, and then another red X, we had sharp decline. But the red X was a good indication that we are about to see a drop in the market. So that is a good entry for a long position right here. Exactly what I did, guys. Now I didn't get filled all the way down here. I got filled a bit later. Now it's possible that we shoot towards 25,000 over the weekend like we saw with the previous pump. Let me show you when it was. Let's scroll back right here. So as you can see, now this pump right here, this candle from 19,925 all the way up to 21,000, that was Saturday the 14th. So are we going to see another pump like this on Saturday? That's definitely possible, guys. Unlike traditional markets, crypto is open 24/7. We can definitely see another leg into the upside. Going towards 24,000, that would be just 3%. It's not that much. We can see that. I am seeing that we are losing a bit of momentum right here on these yellow waves that we see right here. As you can see, the yellow waves are coming down. Now it is also possible that we come down and we test the last layer of the bearish channels right here around 22,000. It's possible, guys. So I'm going to keep my eyes open here on the charts and I will see if anything crazy is about to change right here on the prices. I will keep you guys updated. So make sure to be subscribed and keep the bell icons notified. If you are enjoying those daily videos, guys, please leave a like. That definitely helps out the channel. And like I've said before, guys, I'm not seeing here anything extra bearish to be worried about at this point. A quick announcement before we end today's episode. I was manually analyzing over 50 altcoins which are still relevant in the market and that I think some of them will start popping in 2023, and this might be your very chance to enter and to make a lot of gains by buying these altcoins at the early stage before they exploded into the upside. So in the upcoming videos I will be telling you about which altcoins I already bought and I think are a good buy in 2023. the altcoins that are still here to stay and that can 10x or 20x or 30x in the upcoming months. So don't be missing out on that video. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.